Okay, the epoxy resin is cured, so let's go ahead and peel off the plastic wrap. We need to be careful to not pull the resin away from the mold, though. Otherwise, when we go to pour its top coat or bottom coat, then it can leak around the edges and it'll mess up the front once you flip it over. Okay, there. That's that one. And if you find it doesn't want to start releasing in one spot, go to a different spot to start. And just slowly work your way around until you're able to finally get it to start coming up. Like that. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and get them dusted. And just rub it on real good. Make sure you get down on all the little crevices, all the little bends. If you miss any spot, then you'll see either the black or the white behind it rather than pretty. So just want to go over it real good. I'm going to go up the sides. That's just what I want to do. You'll be able to see what it looks like if you do.